Alright, we're on Jay-Z number 2. The crudiness. Go stick them in the bath, boy. Don't forget the rubber ducky.
Yeah, sure.
Fucking mess everywhere. This one, this guy. Oil all over the floor. Imagine what his house looks like. Can't leave this guy alone for 2 seconds. Look at him. Look at him. Has the oil fucking pan right next to him. And gets it right all over the floor. No, Joe happens.
Black, I'm gonna end up the glue with this rag. What do you think?
Yeah. That making a fucking mess. Flaky, flaky. This thing is covered in it. Look at it, it's gleaming. I'm covered in it. Don't try this at home. Everything. Looks like we just went to a strip club. Oh, whose idea was this, Joe? Why do we think of dumb shit like this? When overspray actually turned out pretty cool. Hilarious, isn't it? That's my parts. Thanks, Joe. It's a mirror effect. Don't fuck around. Where do they go? Where do they go? Where do they go? Oh yeah. Woo. Yeah. Actually, it looks like we know what we're doing, huh? It's getting there. You have to wait 1 hour before you put the gasket maker, ladies and gentlemen.
The white one is always off. But look in the middle of the black.
My man Dusty came in clutch.
This is perfect, bro. Perfect. Yeah, man, you good. So, you know, tighten everything up. Perfect.
Hell yeah. Fragilely. OEM as fuck. Are you a happy camper, pal? Whoa, it's provocative. All right, I gotta help him now. For the record, every single nut, bolt, thread locker, depending on the application, blue or red. This, for instance, has blue thread locker on it. Next victim. Yeah, put the new O-ring in. Getting closer, bro.
Hey, look, I bring her money, they changing the topic. I got a 19 and they folded my pocket. She gave me a number, now I gotta block it. I'm mixing the dirty business. She told me I give it right back to them. If I don't fuck with them, then I can't rap.
Just looking at his, like, when are you gonna do me?
Man, these folks got that hitty shit, no cap.
I bring up hits and they changing the topic. I got a 19 and they folded my pocket.
Alright, I gotta put the phone down now. Final touches. Damn it, Joe, how do you feel?
Good.
It's almost done, bud. Slap that damn oil pan on there. Me next, me next. My shit's feeling sad over here, bro. It's like if the motor was in the car, you're working on it, you know?
Huh?
So it's like as if the motor was in the car and you're working on it.
Yeah, right? Pretty much, like this normal machine.
Yeah, right? You can't even fit your hand in there. Spark plugs and should fire right up. Pull it down and can possibly seize. So when you get spark plugs, don't just throw them in your car. These were gapped at 40. I need to be at 28 for this engine. Also, you always want to put a little bit of anti-seize because it's a part it's always going to be constantly heated up and cooled. Also, once you're done gapping your spark plugs, this little thing, right to the freaking trash. It's $1. Spend $1 every time you buy new spark plugs and get that. Don't reuse it because it was already warped now. It almost had to put feeler gauges to actually make sure everything was good. So throw that away once you're done with it. You know, you put it on your keychain, keep it and use it on another set of plugs. I don't care. It's $1. Fuck it. Also, don't forget your dielectric grease on all your coil plugs. When we do shit around here, we do it right. Thread lock, everything.
Oh shit.
God damn it, Joe. So, folks, that's the reason why Joe can't fucking touch the silicone.
Negative.
Sips on his tea. Oh well, he's fucking capable of building an engine. It is what it is, right?
Drink Fiji.
You know that's right. Let me see that smile, buddy. No CX Racing shit around here,
That's how
boy.
you do it, man.
He has the same one, so
Make it till you make it, bro.
we just wanted to see what it looked like. Are your dreams coming true?
You know it. That is CX Racing, man. No.
It ain't, and that ain't even yours.
Yeah.
He's doing it for the clout, people. That's my manifold. His engine.
I'm about to just sit on the
You gotta take one of those like hot boy fucking squat poses on top of the engine.